Good day, viewers, and welcome to my channel. I am Skybridge. Are public funds being misused under the guise of housing development? Today, we break down how the Gauteng Partnership Fund has dragged Deputy President Paul Mashatile'S son-in-law's company to court over a 12.6 million rands loan. In 2013, Nonkwelo Investments, Proprietary, Ltd., owned by Mashatile'S son-in-law Nceba Nonkwelo, secured a housing loan of 7.2 million from the Gauteng Partnership Fund, GEPF, to build 45 affordable units in Highlands, Johannesburg. Site challenges emerged when a massive rock formation stalled construction, prompting GEPF to approve extra funding and restructure the loan as senior debt to nearly double unit output. A GMI attorney's probe flagged governance shortcomings and possible reckless decision-making by GEPF trustees when extending additional funds despite project viability concerns. The investigation did not fault Mashatile's personally but highlighted a failure of due diligence and weak oversight in approving and supervising the loan. In August 2025, GEPF filed papers in the Gauteng High Court seeking to recover 12.6 million, including principal, interest, and legal costs. The lawsuit names Nonkwelo Investments and its director as defendants, alleging breach of repayment terms and mismanagement of funds. These raise questions about political influence in state-backed funding decisions and accountability for public money. Spurs calls for stricter loan approval processes, transparent governance, and independent oversight in quasi-governmental funding bodies. Court hearings are scheduled for later this year. Both sides will present financial records and correspondence to establish liability. The outcome will set a precedent for how developmental funds are managed and recovered in South Africa. Mashatile'S direct authority over Gauteng's human settlements machinery placed him de jure at the apex of the fund that underwrote his son-in-law's property loans. As MEC for Human Settlements in 2017-18, he oversaw the Gauteng Partnership Fund's Entrepreneur Empowerment Property Fund program, through which trustees advanced 3 successive loans totaling 7,246,126 rands to Nonkwelo Investments, his son-in-law's company, for an initial 45-unit development that was later upsized to 90 units after unforeseen site costs emerged. An independent review by Gildenhuys Malachi attorneys and subsequent reports flagged governance shortcomings, possible reckless lending, and an absence of demonstrable value for money. Yet, due to gaps in documentation, investigators did not accuse Mashatile'S or his son-in-law of any wrongdoing. In the public domain, the affair has come to symbolize the nepotism patronage trap in state funding, eroding confidence in institutional impartiality and fueling demands for real-time disclosure of related party transactions and firmer conflict of interest safeguards in public lending bodies. Every interview hinges on clarity, every whisper from a whistleblower, every crucial detail on the scene depends on crystal-clear audio and razor-sharp visuals. Your Super Thanks investment will put professional microphones in our hands to banish background noise and high-end clear lenses on our cameras to capture every nuance and shadow. By clicking the Super Thanks button, you're not just donating, you're partnering with us to elevate our investigative work, ensure no truth is lost in translation, and hold power to account with the precision and impact our stories demand. Thank you for fueling the gear that fuels justice. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like and subscribe for more investigative updates on South Africa's biggest legal and civic stories.